children. It's time for Farmscool.
Mystery box.
Mystery box.
What's inside the mystery box?
Good morning, children.
Good morning, Teacher Andrew.
What's inside the mystery box?
Froggy!
Good morning, boys and girls.
A question. What seeds did you eat for breakfast?
Corn. I had corn. Corn is a seed.
Is an egg a seed?
No, an egg is not a seed.
Rice. I had rice.
Yes, Molly. Rice is a seed.
Do you know bread, noodles, cakes are all made from seeds? Germination? Germination.
Robin.
What is germination?
Germination is when the baby plant starts to grow.
Wow.
A peanut. Froggy, take off the peanut shell. 2 peanut seeds. Take off the seed coat. Eat 1 seed. Yummy. Froggy, can you help me open the peanut seed? Can you see it? A baby peanut plant. You can see 2 seed leaves.
Who wants to find a baby peanut plant?
Me, 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 me.
Break the peanut shell.
Take off the seed coat.
Look closely.
I see it. I see the baby.
I see the baby too.
Can you see the baby?
Polly is eating the baby.
Don't eat the baby. Don't eat the baby. Don't eat the baby. Don't eat the baby. Don't eat the baby. Don't eat the baby. Don't eat the baby. Don't eat the
Children, sit down.
Do you know how the baby starts to grow?
No.
Seeds need water.
Yes, seeds need water.
Seeds need sunshine.
Seeds need the warmth from sunshine. Seeds need one more thing to germinate.
Milk. Babies need milk.
Milk.
Milk! Interesting. Maybe. Children, stand up. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. Take a seat.
Seeds need water, warmth, and...
We need to breathe air. Do seeds need air to germinate?
Bingo!
Let's do an experiment. We need toilet paper. Fold 2 bean seeds in the toilet paper.
Beans make me fart.
Spray with water. Put the seeds in a sandwich bag. Let's do 2 with water and 2 with no water. Molly, can you put 2 bags in the sunshine by the window?
Where is somewhere dark?
The desk has a drawer.
Good idea, Robin.
Teacher Andrew, let's try the milk.
Miss Amy, put the milk seed experiment in a bag by the window. Grrr.
For homework, draw your predictions. One with water and sunshine, one with sunshine and no water, one with water but no sunshine,
And one with no water and no sunshine.
Milk.
okay, Polly, and one with milk.
Okay, children, class over. See you next week.
Hi, teachers. Which seeds do you think will germinate? Seeds mostly need water, air, and an increase in temperature to indicate the start of spring. Some seeds need sunshine, lettuce, celery, and some herbs. These are usually small seeds that don't have much stored energy for the baby. The baby, or embryo for the STEM teachers out there, can only be seen in a few seeds, including peanuts. With the experiment, leave the bags open so the air can get in. If the tissue goes moldy, you can change the tissue or start again. Remember, failure is the mother of success. I would argue that perseverance would be the father. I expect the seed with the milk will germinate but not be a healthy seedling. It's a fun experiment, and it keeps Polly happy and not crying. Between you and me, that kid is a handful. Anyway, start your experiments and let's see what will happen.
Children, it's time for Farmscool.
Mystery hat, what is under the mystery hat?
Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Busy Bee.
Good morning, Busy Bee.
A seedling. Can you guess the seedling?
Corn!
It's not corn.
Is it a sunflower?
No, it's a pumpkin seedling. Miss Amy, get me the guitar.
I put a seed into the ground. I gave it water all around. It takes off its little coat. The baby plant's life begins. Can you guess the seedling? 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 Germination starts the show. Roots and shoots begin to grow. The sun is warm, the seed feels good. It stretches up just like it should. Can you guess the seedling? Can you guess the seedling?
Carrot.
Can you guess the seedling? Can you guess the seedling? Give it space to breathe and grow. Water gently, not too low. A little sun, a little care. Watch your plant thrive everywhere.
Teacher Andrew, can we check the seed experiments?
Yes, let's see if any seeds germinated. Do you think it germinated?
Maybe.
What do you think, Polly?
Yes, I do.
First, no sunshine and no water. Next, water but no sunshine.
It looks sick. Seedlings need sunshine to be green. Now let's see if the seed with water and sunshine germinated.
It germinated.
So, children, what did we learn?
Seeds need water and air.
So we learned that seeds need warmth, air, water, and sunshine to germinate into healthy seedlings.
Teacher Andrew, the milk seed experiment.
Haha, let's check the milk seed. Ah, don't panic, don't panic!
It stinks!
Ah, run! Run!